A greeting is something friendly that you say or do when you meet someone. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to greet in different languages. Before I begin with our today's session, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. If you like this video, hit a like and share with your friends and family members. Kindly turn on all notifications to get updated for my upcoming videos. So yeah, it's time to get started. Let us begin with hello, saying in different languages. At first in Hindi, Namaste, Namaste. Moving on to Tamil, Vanakkam, Vanakkam. Now in Telugu, Namaskaram, Namaskaram. And in Kannada, Namaskara, Namaskara. Next, number 2, good morning. Let's have a look at Hindi, Shubhrabhat, Shubhrabhat. Now moving on to Tamil, Kalai Vanakkam. Kalai is nothing but morning. Now let's have a look at Telugu, Shubhodayam. And in Kannada, Shubhodaya, Shubhodaya. Now let's have a look at number 3, good evening, good evening. In Hindi, Shubh Sandhya, Shubh Sandhya. Now in Tamil, Malai Vanakkam. Malai is nothing but evening. Now in Telugu, Shubha Saintram. Now let's have a look at Kannada, Shubha Sanje. Sanje means evening in Kannada. The only time in a day to relax ourselves is night. Good night. Let's have a look at Hindi, Shubh Ratri. In Tamil, Iravu Vanakkam. Iravu is nothing but night in Tamil. Telugu, Shubha Ratri, Shubha Ratri. And in Kannada, Shubha Ratri, Shubha Ratri. Let's move on to number 5, thank you. Let's check out this in Hindi, Dhanyavad, Dhanyavad. Now in Tamil, Nandri, Nandri. Now in Telugu, Dhanyavadalu, which means thank you. Now in Kannada, Dhanyavadagalu or Dhanyavada. So you can say in any of these ways. Next, number 6, take care, take care. In Hindi, Dhyan Rakhna, Dhyan Rakhna. In Tamil, Parthukol, Gavanamaga iru or Gavanithukol. So you can say in any of these ways. Let's move on to Telugu, Jagrataga undu, Jagrataga undu. And in Kannada, Kalaji Vahisu, Ninnanu Nodko or Bhadravagiru. You can say in any of these ways to say someone in Kannada to take care of themselves. Next, number 7, welcome. Let's have a look at Hindi, Swagat, Swagat. Now in Tamil, Nalvaravu, Nalvaravu. Moving on to Telugu, Swagatam, Swagatam. And in Kannada, Swagata, Swagata, which means welcome. The next one, which is number 8, have a nice day or have a good day. Now let us learn to say this in Hindi. Aapka din अच्छा हो or aapka din shubh ho. So you can say in any of these ways. Let's learn in Tamil. இந்த நாள் இனிய நாளாகட்டும், இந்த நாள் இனிய நாள் ஆகட்டும். Now in Telugu, ఈ రోజు మంచి రోజుగా ఉండని or ఈ రోజు బాగా ఉండని. In Kannada, ಇಂದು ಶುಭ ದಿನವಾಗಲಿ, ಇಂದು ಶುಭ ದಿನವಾಗಲಿ. I hope every one of you would have learned to greet in different languages. If yes, then please do comment me. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to learn many new things in different languages. If you like this video, then hit a like and share with your friends and family members. Now let me take a short break and get back to you with another interesting video. Kindly watch my many other videos which are available in my channel playlist. So that's all for today. Let's catch up with next wonderful video with another fascinating topic. Till then, it's your channel host Kavita signing off. Bye-bye and thanks for watching. See you all again.